everyone, welcome to Hunt Electronics, and this is your friend Saqib. And in today's technical session we are going to see how to program the LED cube over here. So in the last video we have seen how to build our 4x4 LED cube over there. That is all the hardware stuff, what are the requirement, which type of LED, how to interface it with the Arduino board, and how to upload the program. Okay, so as I told you in the last video, it doesn't matter if you are a school going children or a college student, a hobbyistic, it doesn't matter your age. Okay, everyone can program this. So we have developed one software which is called as a code generator, and you can generate your own code of different pattern, and you can upload it, and you can enjoy the different patterns of this LED cube over here. So in today's session we are going to just learn how to use that software. So I am going to just teach you how to use that software. The link of that software will be given into my description. You can just click it. It will direct you to the drive. You have to download all the supporting files for that, and just save it on your desktop. And as I'm going to instruct you, the same way you can use it and you can upload it. For those who are watching this video first time, in the last video I have teach you all the hardware stuff. Please go with that hardware stuff first, create your own LED cube, and then go for the part 2, that is today's session over here. So this session will be the hands-on practical, and for that you require the LED cube, Arduino board, and its interface. Then only you can enjoy it. Okay, so let's start with the session. So my dear friends, this is the software which I was talking about, and if you are a new learner, hobbyistic, if you are school going a student, doesn't matter, you can do the program on your own. Okay, let us start one by one. So here you can see the info is there. So if you click on the info, you'll get all the information regarding this software. Okay, so all the shortcuts keys, how to cut, paste, how to mark on, each and everything is given over here. Okay, then the next is a main code. So here it is given as a main code. If you click on this, the main program is given over here. So we are going to see the detail how to execute this program. My dear friend, as I told you, you don't have to write any code or any program for Arduino Uno. Everything I've already written over here. You have to just replace this, okay, generated code. So how the code is generated and how to replace this, I will be showing you. Now you can see the window over here. It is written as 4x4x4 LED cube over here. So you can see here plane 1, plane 2, plane 3, and plane 4. So these are the vertical plane, as I'm showing in you into the diagram over there. It is a vertical planes over here. So the LED cube has got some horizontal plane and vertical plane. Here I have taken the example of vertical plane because it is very easy to understand. Now I'll show you how to generate the code. So here you can see every plane has got all and clear, all and clear, all and clear, all and clear. So if you click on all, so the all cube will be selected. This all cube selected means it is going to turn on all the LED. Okay, if you click on the clear, all the LED will be off over here. Similar in the plane 2 also, you can just click on the all, so it will be turning all the LEDs over here. If you click on the clear, it will be turning off. Okay, apart from that, if you see in the plane 1, okay, there is here you can see the black windows over there. If you click on that, particular row and column will get on. Okay, particular row and column for each and this. Okay, so that is just a shortcut key to turn all and off. Okay, now suppose if you have selected all things and if you want to clear it once, okay, if you don't want to click a multiple time, you can just click all, clear all, so it will get clear all. If you want to mark all, you can just click on the mark all over here. Okay, now here at the bottom you can see here enter the time in ms, that is a milliseconds over here. So here by default it will be the 10 millisecond. You can increase this time depending upon you, so I can edit and I can make it 30 milliseconds over here. Suppose I mark all the LED, and at the bottom you can see the generate, undo, and remove all. Suppose if I click on the generate, see at the bottom you will find the code is being generated. Again if I click, again the same code is generated over here. Now suppose if I clear this, if I select something else and if I again mark it as a generate, it will generate. Okay, so that is generate. If I mark is undo, so that will be erasing it. Okay, now if I say remove all, suppose if I have generated some code over here, and if I want to remove this, just click on the remove all, it will be get removed over here. Now suppose if I generate the n number of code over here, and this code is generated for a 30 milliseconds. Okay, now if I want to change this time, and if you want to make it 10 or a 20, suppose 20, here is one more window that is called as change time. Just click on this 20, make it 20, and make it, just click on it. So you can see here already this is 30 milliseconds. Now if I click on this 20, it will making it 20. You can change the time over here. Now like this you have to generate the code, you have to copy this code, and you have to paste in actual program. Now let us do the actual practical work, and let us see the outcome. My dear friend, let us do it technically. So first upon, you have to download the Arduino IDE. Okay, if you don't know how to download, from where to download, I have given the link in the descriptions over there. Okay, so as I told you, first click on the double click on the exe file over here. So you will get an info main code. You have to click on the main code. Okay, the code will be appeared over here. Just make a control A and control C, control all, and copy all over there. Once you copy it, you can close the window, and you can go over here in Arduino IDE, make a new sketch. Okay, so this is the new sketch. Okay, this is the new sketch. Just delete all and control V. So copy all the code over here. Okay, now in this code you can see here one comment is there where I've written here replace this with a generated code. Okay, now we'll do one by one. Now first going to my exe file software, that is a LED code generator over here. You can see here plane 1, plane 2, plane 3, plane 4. This is all the vertical plane. Now let us see one by one. Okay, so the plane 1 will turn on the plane 1. To turn on the plane 1, what we have to do, we have to select all the LEDs. So these all cubes are indicating the LED. So I'll just select all. Okay, when I click on the all, you can see each and every LED is selected over here. Now you have to enter the time for the amount of time you want to display this LED, and the rest all planes are off. Now there is one window called as a generator. Click on the generator. So you can see at the below there is one code is generated. You have to copy this code, again copy, control C, and in the program where I have written replace this with the code generator, you have to just select it and paste over there. Okay, so I have pasted that code over here. Now in the other video you can see that the LED cube over there. Now what you have to do, go into the tool, select Arduino Uno. Okay, then go into the tool, again go into the port, select the COM3. For my laptop it is COM3, it may be COM2, 3, 4, whatever it is at your side. You have to select it and then go and upload it. So if you want, verify and compile it. Once it verified and compiled, just upload it. Okay, now in the video you can see the layer 1 is on. The layer 1 is on. So there are 4 layers, vertical planes are there. Out of that, the layer 1 is on. Okay, now we'll go again to the generator, code generator over here. Now from the layer 1 we want layer 2 to be on. So first layer will clear all, second layer will select all now, and again we'll click on the generator. Now second code is also generator for a 30 milliseconds. Okay, again you can copy this, copy, and you have to replace the same code over here, the previous code, by the new code. Okay, now we have turned on the 2 layers. Just click on the upload. You can see on the window video, you can see now the 2 layers are on. Okay, now let us do the similarly 4 layers. Okay, so this was second layer, I'll just clear it. Again I'll select the third layer, I'll keep it generate. Then I will clear it. Then I will go for the fourth layer. I'll select all. I'll just click on the generate. Okay. So this all code is going to get executed for a 30 milliseconds of the period each layer. Again, you copy it. Previously code you have to just delete and you have to paste the new code over here. Again, you have to upload it. So you can see in the window. So now you can see that we have turned all the layers one by one after other for a 30 milliseconds. Okay. Now let us add some few more animation to it. See, already at the bottom the code is generated. We have to continue with that code. Let us go by layer. Now we'll go the horizontal layer. So this is first horizontal layer. I will be selecting all. Okay. For a 30-second, and just click on the generate. Okay. Then if I press this clear all, everything will be clear. Then second layer, horizontal layer, click on the generate. It will get generated here for a next 30 milliseconds. Then clear all. Then a third horizontal layer. Okay. And just click on the generate. Again it will get generated. Then clear it all. Then fourth horizontal layer. Okay, click on the generate. Now this code has been generated over here. Now let us copy paste this code into the actual program and let us see. Copy. So this was our earlier code. So I'll just delete this and I will paste the new code over here which we have generated, and I will upload it. You can see in the video how the LED cube is going to work. You can see this. Okay, so all the vertical planes and horizontal planes. Okay, now we can add some more to it. Mark all. So I'll just click on the mark all. Okay, mark all, and I'll just make this for 40 seconds, 40 milliseconds, and just I'll generate the code. Okay, mark all, then clear, mark off, then mark all, and I'll generate this. Okay, let us copy this now. Just Control C and go to the actual this and delete the old code in this and just paste, and now upload it, and now let us see how the pattern is going to be observed. So vertical, horizontal, all off, on. So my dear friend, like this you can create the n number of animations with this 4x4 LED cube. This software is very nice and very easy to use. Even the school going student from a 5th and 6th standard can use this, and they can create their own LED cube. If you want some more animation, let us do some all animation. Suppose if you want to turn on the corner of LED, each corner of the LED. So this is a vertical layer 1 and vertical layer 2. Okay, I'll generate this. Then I'll just clear all. I'll generate one code for 40 milliseconds. Again, I will go for each corner of the LED I want to turn on. And I will generate this. Okay, now just copy this and paste it into the code. Okay, and now upload this. Now let us see how the effect is. You can see that all four corners of LED is turned on and off. So like this you can develop your own, you can make a real sort of it, you can just enjoy coding the LEDs over here. So as I told you, the hardware part of this is completed, covered in the part 1 of the video. Please go through the part 1, those who have missed out, for the details of the hardware. And for the software, it is very easy. Once again, the link of this all software I have given into the description. You can just click on it. From the drive, you can download it and you can enjoy it. Once again, just you have to click on the link given in the description. You have to download all the files, open it, just practice the way I have told you, okay, and just enjoy all the animations pattern, and you can generate on your own. That's it, my dear friends. For more technical video, please, my dear friends, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Your subscription is a motivation for me.